Hey, if shopping in English feels confusing, today we're going to fix that. We'll show you real English you can actually use when you buy things. Clothes, food, markets, malls, all simple phrases you can use today. And yeah, we'll keep it relaxed and real, not textbook English.
Right. You'll learn what to say when you ask for prices, sizes, colors, discounts, all that stuff. And also how to talk with shop workers in simple English. Also how to talk about things you already bought. If you're a beginner, this is perfect for you.
Hi everyone! How are you doing today? I hope you're well, or at least okay. Nero, how are you today? You look like you just came from a store, actually. This is real English, by the way. Mistakes and all, that's normal.
I'm good. A bit tired, but good. Yeah, I was at the grocery store earlier, buying snacks that I don't need. How about you, Nina? And hey, if you like practical English, you can maybe subscribe. No pressure.
Exactly. Subscribe only if you like learning real-life English. Okay, let's start. So, Nero, do you enjoy shopping? Like, are you a shopping person?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. I like buying things I need, but I don't like walking for hours. Also, I used to say something wrong. I kept saying I want to buy grocery, but it should be I want to buy groceries with ease. Little things like that matter.
Yeah, and people usually say, I go for shopping, but in daily English, we say, I go shopping without for. Just small details, but it sounds more natural. I used to make that mistake too when I started learning.
And also, when someone asks, where are you going, you can say, I'm going shopping. Beginner students usually say, I'm going to shopping, but that's not how we say it. Language is weird sometimes, right?
Yeah, English is sometimes messy, but when you hear it a few times, it makes sense. Okay, let's slowly move into today's main topic, shopping phrases in English. This is super useful for travel, daily life, and talking with friends. So the first important thing, asking for prices. People usually ask, how much money? But in daily life, we don't really say that. We say, how much is it? Or if it's more than one thing, how much are these?
Right. So imagine you're in a store and pointing at a jacket. You can say, excuse me, how much is this jacket? Simple. If it's shoes, you say, how much are these shoes?
And here's a bonus one. Is this on sale? People sometimes say, is this sale? But the natural way is on sale. On sale means it's cheaper than the usual price.
Oh, and there's, do you have a discount? Or even more natural, is there any discount? It sounds polite and friendly.
Picture this. You're at a mall looking at a pair of jeans. You ask, excuse me, how much are these jeans? Then the worker says the price, and you follow with, is there any discount?
Okay, let's practice for 10 seconds. Repeat after me. How much is it? Now, how much are these? And one more. Is this on sale?
Nice. If you said it out loud, good job. If you didn't, it's okay. You can still do it. Language needs voice, not just reading. Okay, moving on.
Something people ask wrong a lot is, do you have my size? It's not wrong, but we usually say, do you have this in medium? Or small, large, etc. It sounds smoother.
Right. And another one, what sizes do you have? People sometimes say, what size you have, but that's missing do. And in daily English, that little do keeps the sentence correct.
You can also ask, can I try it on? This means you want to wear the item before buying, like trying on shoes or a jacket. Some people say, can I test this? but that sounds like electronics.
Yeah, you test phones, but you try on clothes. Language is funny like that. I once said, "Can I try the phone on?" I mean, you don't try a phone on. Mistakes are normal.
Imagine you're at a shoe store. You say, "What sizes do you have?" Then, "Can I try them on?"
Did you know, in daily English, we almost never say, "I want the size medium." Instead, we say, "I'm a medium," like it's part of our identity.
Yeah, like, "I'm a size 10" or "I'm a large." Short, simple, natural.
Okay, repeat after me. Can I try it on? Do you have this in medium? What sizes do you have?
Quick question for the comments. Which phrase will you use first? Type 1, 2, or 3. We love reading those, and it helps your English too. All right, let's continue.
So, Nero, when you shop for clothes, do you care about colors? Because I do, like a lot. I always ask, do you have this in black or in blue? Super simple, but useful.
Oh, same here. I like dark colors. I don't know why. Maybe they match with everything. You can also say, do you have other colors? People sometimes say other color, but it needs colors. Little plural thing again.
And style words are helpful too, like casual, formal, sporty. So you can say, I'm looking for something casual. Or, I need something formal for work. Nice and natural.
Oh, and a good one is, I'm just looking. People often say, I'm only seeing, but we don't use that in stores. I'm just looking means you're browsing and not ready to buy yet.
Imagine you're in a clothing shop. You point to a shirt and say, do you have this in red? Then you add, I'm looking for something casual.
Did you know, in English, we almost never say, I want to see clothes. It sounds strange because clothes aren't a show. We say, I want to check out clothes, or I want to browse clothes.
Yeah, check out is super natural. Also works for tech stores, like, I'm checking out laptops. Very daily life English.
All right, now let's pay for stuff. When you're ready to buy, you say, I'll take it. Not, I will buy it now. We don't say that often. I'll take it sounds more natural and faster.
Also, can I pay by card? Or do you accept credit cards? People sometimes say, can I swipe? But that's more slang and usually only in the US.
For cash, you can say, I'll pay in cash. And for asking about the total, you say, what's the total? Or how much is it in total? Simple, clear, polite.
Let's say you're at a bakery buying bread. You say, I'll take it. Then, can I pay by card?
Okay, repeat after me. I'll take it. Can I pay by card? What's the total?
Nice work. Think about this week. Did you buy anything? How would you say it in English? You can practice a sentence in your head. So today we learned how to talk about shopping in simple English. We practiced asking for help, choosing colors, comparing items, and paying. All very real-life English.
Yeah, and nothing dramatic or complicated, just phrases you really use when buying things. Simple is powerful.
Reflection question. Now tell us in the comments, what was the most useful phrase for you today? We genuinely love reading your answers.
Sometimes your answers give us ideas for new episodes too, so don't be shy. Comment something small. Practice challenge. Okay, final challenge. Write one sentence in the comments using a shopping phrase from today. Example, I'll take it, or do you have this in blue? Anything.
We will read and respond to your comments. Practice in public builds confidence, seriously. Even one sentence is great. If you want more real English like this, consider subscribing. We teach English the way people actually speak it in daily life, not textbooks, real conversations.
New episodes every week, simple and friendly. So yeah, maybe hit subscribe. Smiles. Totally up to you.
Take care of yourself today. Drink some water, rest your mind, keep learning slowly. Progress is progress, even small steps.
Yeah, seriously. Small steps become big steps later. We're proud of you for practicing with us today. See you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.